Andarki Namaskaram. Andarki Namaskaram. These great builders of this great country and future engineers of this Mahabharat. I consider it is a great privilege and honor to be part of 37th Mechanical Engineer Convention hosted by Telangana State Center. IEI promoting the engineering profession through engineering activities pertaining to identified global and national priorities of IEI. Engineering professionals are serving ceaselessly to achieve results and contribute to national building in all engineering fields. Over these years, the institution has also built strong international linkages to promote the contribution of Indian engineers to the global engineering profession. There is an opportunity for every engineer to associate and build linkages through IEI network of 125 local and state centers, including 6 overseas chapters. I am happy that Mechanical Engineering Division Board of IEI is very active in promoting engineering activities. National Convention is an apex activity of the Institution of Engineers, organized annually in each of the 15 engineering divisions, aiming at achievement of technical professional growth through intensive technical content and mutual interaction. Amid the growing interest in battery electric vehicles, the industry still faces various challenges to gain wider adoption in the market. Among the often cited hurdles by the consumers include a limited driving range, high maintenance cost, battery issues and limited charging infrastructure, particularly over in many Asian markets. Other key factors include technology acceptance and the comparatively high entry cost owed to the electric vehicles. On the technical side, the biggest challenge is the use of lithium-ion batteries. Today, lithium-ion technology reaching in psychochemical limit. On average, it takes 17 hours to charge a car, and for today's consumers, this is a huge turnoff. Therefore, hybrid vehicles which run on both battery and gasoline are more popular than electric vehicles. To overcome these limitations of lithium-ion batteries, battery researchers and automobile makers have even developing batteries that could lead to electric vehicles with significantly longer range, produced at lower cost, safer to operate and support faster charging. Electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles are the future automobiles of transportation and other requirements. The availability of the batteries for long life is a major challenge, and a lot of research which is going on in India and across the world. In this scenario, I feel it is most appropriate time for deliberating on the future prospects and pathways for development of more efficient batteries capable of traveling long distances. I am confident that deliberations in the technical sessions will be a milestone in terms of knowledge management. I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to all the memorial lecture, keynote speakers and authors who are presenting papers on various topics. I congratulate Telangana State Center for organizing this convention on a topic of current and emerging importance and updating the engineers and other stakeholders on the latest trends in battery technology for electric and hybrid vehicles being adopted and facilitate to work out future strategies. I would like to share some thoughts on future of mechanical engineering. So our chief guest runs in a techno company, and his company has gone to the $1 billion, but he is from a mechanical engineer. Because I come from a mechanical engineering background. I come from a Bangalore. There is a lot of glamour is built for a white collar jobs is called a computer science and other normal software engineering. But if you see on the dais, all the luminaries, and even I was seeing off the dais, the chief engineer retired in the civil, but he is a mechanical engineer. And those are sitting in the dais, they are there. Here I would like to mention, normally we say that what happened to the mechanical engineering, whenever I visit as a mechanical engineering MCDB chairman, whether academicians or any other industries, every college says, sir, there is no admissions in mechanical engineering branch. This is the introspection for all the mechanical engineers who are the professionals who are sitting here. Why mechanical engineer is not getting popularized or it is not branded properly? And if you take anywhere, any progress anywhere, without any hardware engineering, no software, no service can exist. I think I always mention whenever I go there, maybe the $100 per hour for a software engineer has come down to now $5 to $6 per hour in present day. But mechanical engineer started from $6 per hour, it will go one day $100 per hour. When you contribute to the future is going to come. For all the engineers who are here and they are going to pass out for a mechanical engineering, and all the professionals who are doing the mechanical engineering and all the press members, I would like to say that don't glamorize too much a service industry, because no country can build, no country can sustain unless then a hardware engineering professions like a civil or mechanical or electrical. Unless you have a hardware, these branches are sustained and grow, no country can grow. our Prime Minister will tell Atmanirbhar scheme or Make in India or Make for World. When you will become Make in India or Make for World, unless a mechanical engineer, hardware engineering are built in this country, I think I request academicians, please build infrastructure which is related for a mechanical engineers who can come a digital knowledge and a digital experience. Unless you give a training in the digital or your computer knowledge driven mechanical engineer doesn't come out, and even the industry cannot accept engineers who are producing mechanical engineering. But always I talk to the college, maybe my chairman of higher education here, sir, somebody says establishing a mechanical lab costs crores. I think establishing a computer lab, one box with some software, it costs only in thousands. That is the reason maybe academicians are don't want to invest money in a mechanical engineering, and admissions will not come because your product never ever be a good that where industry is looking for a mechanical engineers to come. Because whenever I ask the students, sir, no future courses are happening in a mechanical, civil, electrical. As a person, and maybe all the achievers who are in the mechanical profession here, and the future of this country and the Atmanirbhar scheme success are that to make for a world made in India is only possible unless you build a hardware engineering like mechanical or civil and electrical. And for all the engineers who are pursuing, I will definitely assure, and we are confident that country is looking for you, and the country is looking for a manufacturing engineers. Even the whole world looking that they want to shift all manufacturing industry from China to India. I think India needs a people who trained in a mechanical and other hardware engineering. I was just going through a paper report says there is in 2025 these 12 engineering branches or whatever the branches we call, they cannot exist without mechanical engineering. I just would like to mention just a few branches where automotive, electric vehicles, autonomous vehicle, advanced driver assisted systems for safety and crash testing. Without mechanical engineering, none of this automotive industry can exist. Industry 4.0, which we talked a lot, Internet of Machines, process automation, machine learning and quality management. Manufacturing sector, 3D printing, digital twinning and 4D modeling. If you go to automation sectors, robots, humanoids, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Energy sector, you take power generation, energy storage, energy efficiency, renewable energy, materials, lightweight materials, energy efficient materials, HAVC, aerospace, favorite subject, aeroplanes, advanced aerospace technologies, drones and rockets, nanotechnologies, nanomaterials, nano devices, supply chain, biomaterials labs. More than that, a qualified mechanical engineer with a computer knowledge, with the latest technologies, you call it digital science or artificial learning or machine learning, can be one of the most opportunities available in the market. The best one is as a mechanical engineer only can say he can become an entrepreneur. Maybe sitting our chief guest, B.V.R. Mohan Reddy sir, he is an entrepreneur himself. He has written a book, Engineered in India, from a dream to a $1 billion company. I think we are proud that as a mechanical engineer, we have reached to the $1 billion companies, even in the engineering services. But his engineering services is not a code writing. I read his book, Engineering Services, Realistic Mechanical Engineering Services, CAD/CAM Technologies. All the places are started and grown into that. And entrepreneurship is the only best choice for a mechanical. Mechanical only can be a successful because you have learned the skills, whether in the manufacturing or design or a CAD/CAM into that. With this, I just would like to say all the mechanical engineers, future and present engineers, that this country is looking for a mechanical engineers, and this country is going to become Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I wish all the mechanical engineers all the best. I would like to thank Telangana Center for giving this opportunity to be part of here. Thank you very much.